Email marketing is a great way to market your business. You can use email to promote your website. And you can also use it to stay in touch with your customers, to promote your website and keep steady traffic. You can add a link at the bottom of every email that says something like, "Click here to visit my site." This will allow people who open your email to click on the link, which will take them to your website. The best way to make money from email is to offer a free gift when someone signs up for your list. This will encourage them to continue to subscribe, and it will also increase the likelihood that they will buy your product. This is called an ethical bribe in email marketing lingo, and it works very well. You can make money by selling other people's products, or affiliate marketing, through email marketing. You can also sell your own products such as a report or a video course. It's important to keep your emails short and simple, so that they are easy for people to read. Once you've created your mailing list, you'll want to stay in touch with your subscribers. You can do this through email newsletters. These can be sent out once or twice a week, or even once a day. You can also include videos, audio files, and other resources in your newsletters. These are just a few examples of how to make money from email marketing.